Hi guys and welcome to today's live internet trading. So right now I'm short selling SBI cards in the market level now around 865. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So right now short sold SBI cards because I thought the stock can go up but it couldn't go up and it has come down. Okay, so there was some resistance on the buying side, so the stock couldn't go up on a more of a buying side. If you guys can see the first screen candle here, so it just become a large wick here, so that's why I've decided to go short selling, and I think that the stock can come down and plan to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and the market today looks bullish. Okay, so market is almost making a new high here, but the stock what I selected is not in a bullish way, so that's why I have selected for a short selling. Okay, so the market has made a new high for the day, so I think the market can touch 19,000 for day. So I'll update you that in the end of the video. So I'll be telling you how the market went up today, what are the indices which supported the market to go up today and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you are new to the stock market trading and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support with daily live market guidance. And also the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and get daily live market support from me, you can join us today. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me personally. So I'll be guiding you personally every single day to make consistent profit and the trades what to do. Okay. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock did take much of a time to come down here, and the low made as of now is 862.25, and now it's trying to break in low of 862 and go much down is what my view is. So yes, it has given a breakout now. 861.60 is a new low what the stock has made. So yes, the stock did take a bit of a long time to come here, but anyway I was holding the short sell position because according to my strategy and according to my studies, this stock was bearish. Okay, so even though the market made a new high today, you can see now the stock is coming down. Okay, so this is the analysis what you need to know to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, the market can go up or down, or it can be range bounded or sideways as well, but you need to know to trade in a correct stock and the correct entry should be made. Okay, so yes, as of now the stock is coming down. As you guys can see, it's almost near to my target now. I'll just take the exit and I'll update you guys about the trade. So yes, once you join us, I'll be teaching you all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so yes, as of now the low made is 860.10 here. Okay, so let's see if it can go much down here. 860 is a new low what it has made. Okay, 859, 858.80, 857. Okay guys, I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 857.30 and I just took my exit somewhere around here, and this was the profit what I was able to book in the today's trade of SBI cards. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and want to learn all the concepts of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, as this is the end of the day chart of the Nifty 50, and today the Nifty 50 has touched the new high of 19,010. Okay, so this is how the market performed today. It was big bullish movement, and yes, at the end it just consolidated a little bit, but anyway the market made a new high today. So most of the stock has went down, but most of the stock has not performed. So for this big rally, let's see what are the indices what supported today, like what are the sector that market supported for them to go up. Okay, so the first indices which made a maximum high for today is Nifty Pharma with 1.46% up. So pharmacy has performed well today, and the second top performer is Nifty Metal. Okay, so Nifty Metal was 1.36% up today, and the next one was Nifty Healthcare Index was up by 1.06% up, and today the loser section was Nifty Media. Okay, so Nifty Media closed at minus 0.67% down today, and lot of the other major sector has closed with a very good positive and a bullish manner, but only one indices, that is Nifty Media, has not performed well today and closed with minus 0.67% down. Okay, and guys, we have one new news from the SEBI. So SEBI had a board meeting today. So now the big news is that SEBI approves reduction of timeline of listing of shares in public issues from existing T plus 6 day to T plus 3 days. That is, so whenever you buy an IPO or whenever the IPO is listed, it will take T plus 6 days currently, and now they have approved to do it for T plus 3 days to get it listed. Okay, that is, the SEBI board approved the process of reducing the time period of listing of shares in public issue from existing 6 days to 3 days. Okay, so before it was 6 days process, now in 3 days the IPO will be listed. So this is a new rule what the SEBI has listed. So these are the updates and these are the live trade what we did for today, and this is how the market performed. So yes, if you guys wish to learn from me, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you guys to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.